Alright guys, we're back at Dizzy Bird at Irvine Spectrum. So look at that. That is the Dizzy Bird, the silly bird actually. It's got chicken, see if we can open it up, actually we can't. It's got chicken, potatoes, and cucumbers. Let's go ahead and try a bite. I've been craving this place. Went here one time, wanted to come back every day. This is the perfect meal. Chicken, potatoes, and cucumbers all in this little bread wrap. The sauce is crazy. Like their comeback sauce makes you want to come back. Just a bit. That smells like cane sauce, not gonna lie. You guys haven't tried this place yet? You guys gotta go down there. So good. We got their french fries. Look at that. Small fry. We also got frozen lemonade.